Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. In this video, my husband will be applying the front screen protector on the Galaxy Z Fold5. It's quite annoying that Samsung doesn't supply their front screen protector like they used to before. That's an added cost of almost £20 to an already expensive phone. Anyway, it's a fairly straightforward process guys, so follow the video and you'll be able to do the job very easily.
So it's just the front screen protector here. Okay, let's open it up. So in this little box we have dust remover, microfiber cloth, squeegee, there's something else. Best to just turn the phone off. So there's something here. Let's remove this, and this will go, I think, here like that. Yep. I think this is just to line the screen protector up. So basically it goes in there in those slots, and then you just line it up and you apply. So obviously I need to give it a clean and all that stuff. Get rid of some dust. Looks clean enough. Just remove this. So there's a bit of stickiness there, and you can line it up now. So I'm going to apply it now. finally just move that top piece and bring it down. Give it a clean. There's a small line there and few little bubbles. They should go away.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, please do give it a like, which would really help us out, and a subscription would be much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.